Lily? Lily! Lily!
Emma, what's wrong?
She was right here. She was holding my hand. And then she was gone. No, you need help.
Help! I need help!
Hi there, are you okay?
I can't find my mom.
Lily, can you hear us?
Lily! Sweetheart, where are you?
Mom, look! Look at all the lanterns!
Pretty, right? This market gets busy on weekends. Stay close to me, okay?
I'm right here.
Dad, can we get those noodles again? The ones from last time.
If we can find that stall in this crowd, sure.
Lily, hold my hand tight. It's very crowded today.
I'm holding it.
Good girl. And remember, if we ever get separated, you never go with a stranger. Not even if they say they know me.
You stay right where you are and find a helper.
Okay?
I remember, Mom.
Good. Just give me 1 second, sweetheart. I need to find my...
Mom, look! A puppy!
Lily, stay close. Lily? Lily! Lily!
Emma, what's wrong?
She was right here. She was holding my hand, and then she was gone.
Which way did she go?
I don't know. I looked away for 1 second.
Okay, we are going to find her. Split up, smart. Not panicked, smart.
I'll check the stalls on this side.
Mom? Mom? Peter?
Okay. Think, Lily. What did Peter say once?
If you're ever lost, stop walking. Standing still is easier to find than a moving target.
Stop walking. Stand still.
Hey, you look lost.
I'm waiting for my mom.
I think I know where she is. Come on, I'll take you.
You know my mom?
I know where she is. Come with me. Never go with a stranger, even if they say they know me. Stay where you are. Find a helper.
No, thank you. I'm staying here.
That's okay. Stay where you are. I'll let a market worker know you need help.
Help! I need help!
Hi there, are you okay?
I can't find my mom.
You're staying right here with me. You did good, sweetheart. Real good.
My mom taught me that.
She taught you well. Let's find your family. Excuse me. Have you seen a little girl about this tall, yellow jacket?
Sorry, kid. Lots of little girls come through here.
Right, thank you. Lily! Lily! David, what if she's really scared? What if she's crying somewhere and no one can hear her?
She's smart, Emma. Smarter than we give her credit for. She'll remember what we taught her.
I hope so. I really hope so.
Keep calling her name, loud as you can.
Lily, can you hear us?
Lily, sweetheart, where are you? That's Dad's voice. Dad, I'm here. Dad!
Wait, did anyone else hear that? Lily, keep talking! Keep shouting!
Peter! I'm by the scar! scarves! The purple awnings! Peter!
I found you! You're okay.
I got scared. I saw a puppy and followed it. Then I couldn't find anyone. Someone tried to take me somewhere. He said he had chocolate.
It's okay, I'm here now. He what? Lily, what did you do?
I said no. I remembered what Mom said. I stayed right here, and this lady helped me.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
She did all the hard work herself.
Mom! Dad! I found her! We're by the scarf stall!
Oh, thank goodness. I'm so sorry. I looked away for 1 second.
It's okay, Mom.
I'm okay.
Peter found me. But Mom, a stranger tried to get me to go with him.
What? Lily, tell me exactly what happened.
He said he knew you. He said he had chocolate. I said no, and I yelled for help.
You did exactly the right thing.
A stranger tried to take you?
I didn't go, Dad, I promise. I remembered the rule.
You remembered the rule? That's my girl. That's exactly my girl.
Thank you. Thank you for staying with her. She barely needed me. She knew exactly what to do.
Mom,
Yeah, sweetheart?
I was really scared. But I remembered what you taught me. And I wasn't as scared anymore.
That rule is there for exactly that moment, and you used it perfectly. Smartest little sister in the whole market.
The smartest.
Alright, I think we have had enough excitement for one market trip. Who still want those noodles?
Yes, absolutely yes.
Me too, but this time everyone holds hands. The whole time. Deal. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today we're going to learn 5 important English words from today's story. I'll explain what each word means and how to use it in real life. Are you ready? Let's begin. It is crowded. Crowded means a place with many people. Example, the market was very crowded on Saturday. Today's word is stranger. A stranger is someone you do not know. Example, never go anywhere with a stranger. It is promise. Promise means to say you will do something. Example, I promise I remembered the rule. Today's word is remember. Remember means to keep something in your mind. Example, Lily remembered her mom's safety rule. Is safe. Safe means protected from danger. Example, Lily stayed safe with her family. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next adventure with our family. See you next time.